In this video, we are going to discuss concept check 6.1. The question says, for the junction shown in the figure, which equation correctly expresses the sum of the currents? So this is my junction right here, and you have four currents at the junction. You need to determine out of the equations present here, which one correctly represents the sum of the currents. We will use Kirchoff junction rule to solve this question. Kirchoff junction rule says that sum of all currents at a junction must be equal to 0, with the currents entering the junction to be taken as positive and the current leaving the junction must be taken as negative. So let's apply Kirchoff junction rule at this junction here. Any current that is entering, I will take positive. The ones which are leaving, I will take negative. So let's start with I1. I1 is entering the junction, so I will write positive I1. I2 is leaving the junction, so I will write it as negative. I3 is also entering the junction, so positive. I4 is also entering the junction, so positive. And sum of all of these current must be equal to 0. This is my expression here. Let's see which one of these options represents my answer. And if you see, the correct answer will be option B. You can use another form of Kirchoff junction rule to solve this question. The other form of Kirchoff junction rule says that sum of all current that is entering the junction must be equal to sum of current that is leaving the junction. So current entering the junction here is I1 plus I4 plus I3, and current leaving the junction is only I2. And when you rearrange them, you get I1 minus I2 plus I3 plus I4 equals 0, which is the same as the one we got before.